Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. Myself Nilesh Manjana, and today I'm going to say you about waste out of waste, how I used and how I made it. Come on. This is an Indian space rocket known as ISRO. The full form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. How I used, I'm going to say. This is the old empty powder fonts. This is also the same. And here the paper cups like this and this. So I was deciding to throw out this and all. But as soon as I saw from the news that our ISRO is going to launch a Gaganyaan vehicle known as GSLV is going to launch in the headquarters of Bengaluru. So I thought best out of waste for the independence, so I will make this without throwing them. So I made a Gaganyaan space rocket model. These two are the papers I made with all the A4 papers, and this one is black color papers. So I'm going to say about Gaganyaan. Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, largely atmosphere 5.3 12,000 IB capsule will or be a orbit vehicle. It is also known as capsule or an orbit vehicle from Earth about 400 kilometer 250 mi altitude for up to 7 days with 2 or 3 people crewed on the boat. The first crewed mission was originally planned. So in 2022, the Space Research Organization is going to launch, Indian Space Research Organization is going to launch a Gaganyaan without non-crewed like robot called humanoid. It is a humanoid like female face. Her name is Vyometra. She is going to launch in 2022, but while 2023, our Indian space astronauts are being trained in Russia for astronauts vehicle orbiter. They will be launched on 2023 June. At the 3-person crew on board, the first crewed mission was originally planned to be launched on ISRO's GSLV Mk3 in December 2012, but this mission has been failed, limited 2023. It will be launched in June 2023. This Hindustan Aero Limited HAL manufactured crew model had its first on-board experiment flight on 18 December 2014 as the Big 2019 in May 2019. So in 2018 they did all the training of the capsule. It has been when it just tried in 2018, but when it came to the re-entry to the Earth again, it was landed in Arabian Sea near to the Maharashtra coast. So this is what I made. So Defense Research DRDO, known as Defense Research and Development Organization, will provide support for critical human experiments systems and technologies like space, grade, food and healthcare. So from India, IAFs in the Indian Air Force, 3 people have been selected for the 2023 space mission. A wing commander, a lieutenant, and another wing commander, 2 wing commanders and 1 lieutenant of Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force Command Chief Air Marshal has been handshake with ISRO Chairman K. Sivan, and they have been planned to take all the astronauts of IAF to the orbital vehicle I'm very proud that our India is going to launch the first vehicle. I'm going to say about the capsule on the orbit vehicle. Inside this, after 600 kilometers, when it go above, this will be come down, this too, and this tree will be go up. As it came 112,000 kilo above, then this too will fall down, and from here the boosters will go up, and it will go still above the atmosphere. It will go above the atmosphere. It will go above the atmosphere, and as soon as it go little up, this full part will also come down. Only this part will be inside this part also. A capsule is there. No, it is called as capsule or an orbit vehicle. So it will be trained as for any food medical issues. It will be called, and the safety things will be in the orbit vehicle. So Jai Hind, proud of to be Indian. Thank you.